Hey friends, it is me, Stace. Welcome to a Throwback Thursday. That means the project that we used our Cricut for on Monday, which was this really fun retro TV gift box. We're going to take this box and turn it into something different. So today we are making a really cute welded card. I'll just go to the computer and we'll get started. Alright, here we are at the computer inside Cricut Design Space on the welcome screen. You want to go right below where it says recommended for you and click on the new this week category. Then you will see new projects. Go to the far right, click on the arrow, and then go ahead and click on the Retro TV gift card holder. It's going to bring up a preview window. Very bottom, choose Customize. Alright, so our box does come in group together. We're going to right click on that and choose Ungroup, and then separate the pieces we're not using, which is this piece here, that piece, this one, and that one as well. Highlight all those pieces, right click on those, and then choose Delete to remove that. So now we have the front of the TV itself, the antenna, as well as the knobs. I'm going to highlight both knobs, then right click on them and choose Group so they stay together. Alright, so now we have this one TV. You're going to right click on that and choose Duplicate. So now we have two of them. So on one of them, you're going to have it selected. Go to the far right hand bottom of Design Space, click on Contour. And on this one, we're going to hide that center piece. So now you'll see here it becomes all solid. Going to close that window out, and on this piece we're going to do the opposite. So again, you want to have it selected, click on Contour. On this one I'm going to hide this piece and just leave the center piece. Right, so we have those two pieces here. Now on this piece here you want to duplicate this one 2 more times. So I'm going to have it selected, hit Duplicate, select it again, and then choose Duplicate. So now we have 3 copies of those. So I'm going to bring those over here. So I have this piece and this piece. This top piece, you want to flip it upside down. So have it selected, go to the top toolbar, choose Flip, and then flip vertical. So now it's upside down. Now you want to have these 2 pieces overlap ever so slightly. So just bring them down till they're on top of each other. Highlight both pieces. Go to the top toolbar again, choose Align. You're going to choose the second one down, which is center horizontally, so it lines them up left and right. While they're selected, right click on them and choose Combine, and then Weld. So that is our card base. I am going to change the color of that to be a gray color so we can see it better. So now while we have this piece, when this is folded, we're going to lose a part of this curve. So I want this piece to go on top. So I'm going to right click on that and choose Bring to Front. So now when you put that on top of that, it'll all fit. Alright, so now what I want to do with this piece is use this for a photo. So I'm going to go to my left hand side toolbar, click on Upload, and I'm going to grab a picture of our dogs. I'm going to choose Add to Canvas. I thought this was perfect because it is an older TV, so I have a black and white photo. So I'm going to take this piece that goes inside here and use this to slice out my photo. So if you can see when I go over that, it's the brown pieces behind the image, but you still do see the 4 squares. So I'm going to line up the 4 squares where I want them on the picture. Highlight both pieces, so I have the photo as well as the square. Go to the bottom right hand corner and choose Slice. And that's going to slice that out. So now we have a picture here. So I can go to remove that piece. So now this is going to fit inside our TV like that. We can delete this piece as well. Upper right hand corner, choose Make It. So our first piece is going to be a print then cut. So my printer is going to print this out. I'll take it to the Cricut. It'll scan it and then cut it out. Piece number 2 is our card. Piece number 3 is the antenna and the pieces for the knobs, the dials. Number 4 is the TV, and number 5 is the front of the TV. I'm going to go back to number 1, and I'm going to click on Continue. You will see it says Send to Printer, so I'm going to hit Send to Printer, choose my printer, and then hit Print. So when that's done printing, I'll take it to my Cricut. It'll cut it out. I'm going to choose a medium cardstock. I'm going to change my pressure to more. Alright, so I'm going to cut everything out, go to the table, and we'll put the card together. Alright, everything is cut out. I'm going to first work with the card base. Just go ahead and fold it right in half. Get everything lined up. Then finger press it, then take your bone folder to give that a better crease. Alright, so now we have our TV piece. We're going to lay that on the front. And I'm going to grab my ATG for that. Before I do that, though, I do want to take my antenna and just put a little bit of glue right here at the top in the center. And take the antenna, and I'm having a little bit of it stick out some. Okay, so we have that. Now we can take our TV piece. All right, we're going to lay that on top. Again, lining everything up on the bottom and the sides. There we go. All right, now we have this part. So really, really simple card. I'm going to blot some of that glue off. Okay, we're going to put this on there, lining it up. Okay, and then we have the knobs. I have one going that way and one going the other way. And then we have the dials. And again, just like on Monday, there's a side of it that has a point. You want to have that going toward the point on the piece here. Let's grab this one. Okay, and put that knob on. You can also, when I made the card, I thought about it, you can always pop those pieces up so they look more like a dial. And let's take our photo. And again, this can be anything. You can use an image inside Design Space that you want, an old photograph. You can have words on here. You can stamp in it. It's up to you. Okay, but I thought as a retro TV, we'll do a black and white photo of the girls. All right, now we have this piece. This is 2 3/4 by 2 3/4 for the inside of our card. Just so it gives you a spot to write your message. Okay, so what do you think? So we went from this to this, right? I do have a card kit for you. So you get all the pieces. I did put the smaller pieces inside a baggie. I also gave you the inside piece of this cut, so you can just trace a photo that you already have. And I did give you 2 of them. So you can trace something so you can put it on the inside of or on the front of your card there for your TV screen. All right, my friends, there you have it. An easel card, or not an easel card, a welded shaped card made from the TV project we did on Monday. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.